Braden, where are we?
Camp. That is where we are. Do you need a little more enthusiasm?
Yeah. We're at camp!
We going brick for brick, yeah. We going brick for brick, okay. We going brick for brick, yeah. We going brick for brick. Stack it up, stack it up, stack it up, stack it up.
Oh, cut that.
I keep a hammer, ain't talking about shooting. I'm out here building, I keep me a tool. When I say brick, I got nothing to do with hoping. Building the body up, that's what we doing.
How did I cry?
TJ, you look like you just saw something that night. What you got there, TJ? Ice. Ice? Ice.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side.
Let's go. Wait. Where are you going?
Jim.
I'll be enjoying the cookies. You got the cookies. Cookies. Let them know. Look at that. Gosh.
Hey, how's it going? We just dropped some ice on the sidewalk.
Don't touch me.
Please, don't touch me.
I have climbed the rock.
Mustard!
We going brick for brick, yeah. We going brick for brick.
I'll ask you one question. What time is it? And what I can tell you is it's game time. It's right now. Let's go.
Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up, stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up, stack it up, stack it up. We going brick for brick, yeah. We going brick for brick. We going brick for brick. We going brick for brick. Stack it up.
Dude, that was recorded. I gotta get some footage. Put your hand in the camera for a Lamar and a...
Ice on my neck, cost like 5K. I wanna
Craig going brick for brick, I go strip for strip. Bible so heavy, I walk with a limp. Scoring these souls.
We lost. All I'll say is the other team likes to eat pumpkins.
Playing. Here we are. Playing cards. Yeah. Look at you.
Can't test me, water my neck, just call me a jet ski. Join my move, these heathens some sketchies. Devil so chicken, I hit them with 10 P. Kingdom my job, can't find this on Indy. Signing Jesus, I move like an indie. Building this temple, he changing my mental. We really the bricks, Ephesians. We going brick for brick.
I need to click
We
play.
going brick for brick. We going brick for brick.
Thank you. Oh, I think it died. It went back.
Smile, gents. Go Carson, team. Steven, that's it, right? Yeah. Beautiful.
Who said this walk can't be holy? Who said this place can't be sanctified? We wrote this one for the only. Who said we can't be undignified? Talking hands, raised, wow, praise, dance like Dave, dance like Dave, hands raised.
I'm back.
Praise,
Yes. Say hi to Hi to Vanessa. Hi. Good morning. What is up, my guy? We're after breakfast, and I don't know what's wrong with my voice again. And I feel really close to the camera. I'm cold. Okay.
Hi, go.
No, Isaiah, don't cut that out.
What is up? Holy, it's cold.
Hi, everyone.
Hey, y'all know where to find me. But I think I made it up before when CC whining. See, he can get it jumping, this ain't nothing to my Zion. If they play this in the club, his shoulders that'll cry on. Who said this walk can't be holy? Who said this place can't be sanctified? We wrote this one for the only. Who said we can't be undignified? Talking hands raised, wow, praise, dance like Dave, dance like Dave.
I fall on the floor and cry, basically, and that is it. We're talking about the story where I got lasered in the eye. Yo, that's my bevy, dude. You don't get a sip of that.
Hold on, we're not ready, Isaiah. How? I got a birdie. I'm like that. I got a birdie.
We didn't film it, but I'm like that.
I got a birdie.
Hey, you're in denial.
He did a birdie. He did less throws. He did less throws. I know, by one. Oh.
Braden versus the trees, round 2.
Yes! How did he throw a better shot than me, bro?
BJ's been practicing for this very moment.
I'm not like that.
Oh.
Okay, get this on.
Oh, on record.
Boomerang.
All right, this is where I get the trees back. I guess not. James, how you feeling right now?
I feel horrible, bro. Like, what is this? What is this?
All right, TJ, let's see that throw.
Where's the hole?
Oh, see this.
Oh.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Hey, I'm listening.
Damn, how do I throw this? Are they gonna help me?
Oh, that might be.
I eat dirt.
Here we go now. Yeah. If you've seen the SpongeBob movie, you know what I'm talking about.
Look at what I'm wearing. Point the camera at me. Look at what I'm wearing. Exactly.
Look at the Crocs. Look at the Crocs.
Yeah, look at the Crocs too.
Your eyes.
Wow, that was weak.
My cheeks are cooked now.
There's so much food.
Wait, cinematic masterpiece. Ready? I start from behind the tree. It's like like you're running after me as I'm running. Like, oh, shots fired! Shots fired! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Why are you filming me, man?
I didn't do anything, not me.
Wink. Oh! Oh! I cannot be good. Wait, nobody look. Ooh, yeah. Aftermath. So I got a mean cut on my leg. I'm getting hydrogen peroxide spray on it from this guy. And we're recording my facial experience. Go for it. Just get it done with, doc. It's actually not that bad. Oh! Why are you spraying more? Dude. Oh! Oh, it's burning more. Ah! What up, bro?
What's up, chat? Today we are back with the Dinner Squad. We have Pastor Josh, Helen, DJ, Carson, Steven. We're gonna have some bread, we're gonna have some salad.
What else are we having?
I don't know, it's coming out. Good eats though.
Changing. I gotta remain on the fact that you're not. You stay, you stay. Okay, see, change. What do I do?
It's cold. We are making a treacherous expedition across the frosty field. We have a Jurassic James, Stegosaurus Steven, a Bronchiosaurus Braden, and a wild Tyrannosaurus TJ on the horizon. We're gonna go get some coffee. It's gonna be yummy-licious because low-key the coffee here is gas fire flames. The coffee place was closed. My face is cold and it won't be warmed up by a nice iced latte. And Braden sounds like a bird. I think that the camp is getting to us. I think Braden is slowly turning into some sort of hooting owl or a train. It could be either one. James is just ore farming as usual, and I'm still cold.
Met a freshman year, I never love again. Hid behind my ego, had to sub.
This is the last breakfast of camp. How do we feel?
I feel terrible. So sad. I'm gonna miss it.
I agree. Evan?
It's terrible, man. I'm so sad to leave camp.
How do you feel, Carson?
Good. Get the coffee.
Oh, it's working. Hello, everybody. We're headed to our last chapel. So we're waiting for everyone else because they're slow. Do you want to hold this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go, Faith.
What? Oh, let's go.
Okay, let's do this thing. Such a great experience. How was your week at Camp Faith?
Actually, really good. Yeah, I was very tired this weekend though.
It was so
How was your weekend?
I had such a great time. We went on the swing twice. And that was really fun.
Why?
That feeling when bus ride home.
Yeah. Crusty.
Well, my pitch was
What the sus?
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Okay, thanks for watching. Yes, it is. Hey, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.